Welcome to GEPAC, where quality meets affordability in the simplest way possible. Elevate your travel style with us. Imagine a transformed world where waste becomes a relic of the past as every product embodies purpose and sustainability. Picture a future where your choices are not limited by price and luxury is an accessible standard for all. Envision a marketplace where prestigious luggage brands wield their influence for the greater good, crafting a legacy that extends beyond aesthetics. Through cutting-edge automation and innovative business model, GEPAC shatters the price barrier, making affordable luxury attainable for the masses. For everyone, the mission of GEPAC is to democratize sustainability, ensuring that each purchase leaves the smallest carbon footprint possible. Join the movement and explore how GEPAC is leading the way toward a sustainable future. Visit our website, track our progress, and uncover how you are becoming a catalyst for change. GEPAC, Luggage for Humankind.